Earth Day. Earth, the planet which provided us lives. Earth Day is celebrated all over the world every year on 22nd April. In 1970s, Senator Gaylord Nelson created Earth Day as to protect the natural resources and to honor the earth. From then, this day is celebrated every year as the idea to save Mother Nature. The theme to celebrate this day in 2021 is Restore Our Earth. But are we honoring the earth? Are we thanking nature for this beautiful world? Or are we taking care of nature? The answer must be no. Trees are brutally cutting down by the man for their sake, which leads to less rain. Smoke from the vehicles and the factories are the major cause of air pollution, which are making the air quality the worst. The ill management of garbage, stubble burning, and the indirect air pollutants are also polluting the air. The climate is keep on changing because of the human activities and is becoming worse than ever. As we can see, the glaciers are melting, volcanoes are blasting, forests are keep setting on natural fire. This climate change is real and is because of humans. As per the latest reports, 0.7% of deaths in India can be attributed to air pollution. That means about 2.5 million people die every year after breathing toxic air. But because of COVID-19 outbreak in 2019-20, we saw the human activities were stopped and affected badly due to the lockdown. But on the other hand, Mother Nature started healing and we noticed a positive effect on wildlife. In conclusion, all we can say that is we can change and support our Mother Nature if we just come forward by one step. Because one small step can bring a huge change. Use public transport while traveling. Plant more and more trees. Save natural resources and stop doing the unnecessary things which lead to harm our nature. Because if we don't do so, then the nature has its own planning to recover itself. So, let's we all together take a pledge today to contributing our bit in restoring our earth. Let's save the world together and make it more beautiful for our future generations. Let us all love the Mother Nature as we would love ourselves. A healthy planet is not just an option, it's a necessity. Thank you.